Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Chrome and immediately accessing the three-dot menu. Click Help then about Google Chrome. This screen forces Chrome to check for updates, so you don't waste time hunting settings. Once done, Chrome will display the current version and start downloading any available update automatically. Make sure you are online and close heavy downloads or VPNs that might slow the process. You're initiating the update now, not later, so the browser can fetch the latest security fixes and performance patches. Once Chrome finishes downloading, the About page shows Install Progress and then a Relaunch button. Click it to apply the update. You should save any unsaved work first, because Chrome will restart. However, it normally restores your open tabs and windows. If Relaunch is grayed out, wait a moment or close other Chrome dialogues. Sometimes extensions pause the process. After relaunch, confirm the About page shows the new version. This installs the update and activates security and feature improvements immediately. You finish by verifying the About page reads Google Chrome is up to date and noting the version number. If the update fails, try disabling extensions and relaunching, rebooting your computer, or temporarily turning off VPNs or proxies. These commonly block downloads. Make sure your operating system has space and recent system updates installed. Chrome relies on OS resources. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Chrome to replace corrupt files. If needed, backup bookmarks and settings before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.